A very good morning to all class 10th students. This is a video for wishing you best of luck for your exams that will be held, that are going to be held tomorrow. In this video, I'll be telling you some of the important things that you have to study for your exams tomorrow. It is not possible for me to revise the whole chapters that are coming in just the revision video, but I could share with you some of the important topics that you must study for to get good marks in your exam tomorrow. So beginning with chapter number 3, nationalism in India, uh, you must learn the different sessions of Congress, the different sessions of Congress that were held and what were the aims of that different sessions of the Congress and who all were the presidents of Congress in different sessions, who all presided the different sessions of Congress at that time. Again, the emergence of Gandhiji means the participation of Gandhiji and how Gandhiji's relation were there with different leaders like Motilal Nehru, Sardar Patel, and what was the behavior of Gandhiji, what was the attitude of Gandhiji, what were the methods used by Gandhiji. All these things are very important in this chapter and I have set questions out of these things. Next is an important part of chapter is the part of peasants or agrarians or farmers. How were farmers revolting and what were the different movements led by different people in different parts of the country related to farming and what was the cooperation of farmers, that you also have to read out. Okay, from that also I have given you the questions. Clear? So this was there in chapter number 3. Moving to chapter number 1, I did not teach you chapter number 1, but I have set up questions from chapter number 1. Hopefully I will teach you chapter number 1 as soon as the school reopens. I will teach you again those chapters that were taught by Haldar sir for your revision because they were important chapters and I have not taught, but I have set up questions. So what were the main motives of behind I would be saying the revolution, the क्या कहते हैं political conditions of Europe, I would be nationalism in Europe. What were the situations? What led to that nationalism is very important and will be asked in the questions. And contribution of Mazzini is very important. That will be asked. So this you have to read out. Moving to the chapter agriculture and manufacturing industries, both the chapters I have taught you and questions will come from these two chapters. What are agro-based industries, what are mineral-based industries, what are the cropping seasons, what is plantation farming, what is commercial farming, what is intensive farming. All these things are there in the question paper I have set up and I hope you will read all these chapters in detail, especially the parts which I am talking to you. On the democratic part, a lot of questions I have set. Democratic politics से question बहुत ही अच्छे सेट किए हैं मैंने क्योंकि important part है और मैंने इसमें power sharing and federalism के questions काफ़ी लिए हैं. I am forgetting the name of one of the students. She was asking me some questions about uh, power sharing. I think her name is Palak, and I was busy these days a lot with the studies and the questions and all, so I forgot to uh, tell her the answers. Palak, I am extremely sorry, beta. I'll tell you the answers today in the evening, or don't worry, I'll explain you the whole chapter when you come to school. You need not worry about that. I'll clarify all the doubts. I just saw the book, so I remembered that somebody asked me about this. Different types of federalism, coming together, holding together, differences between them, examples of coming together and holding together federalism, differences between holding together and coming together federalism. All these things are being asked in the question paper. So you have to be very, very particularly read these parts. Political parties, a lot of questions have been asked. I have set up the questions from the chapter political parties. How is a state party getting recognition? What makes a national party? What is the importance of symbols? How are political parties important to us? And moving to the part of eco, money and credit, globalization and Indian economy. Full chapter, role of RBI, role of cooperative societies, what is collateral, what is debt trap, what is money trap, जितनी भी चीज़ें मैंने पढ़ाई हैं सब पूछी है शॉर्ट करके, कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं रहेगा और मेरे को बहुत अच्छे नंबर चाहिए कल. पेपर इज वेरी वेरी इजी. देयर माइट बी सम प्रॉब्लम in you to understand the paper, because in some questions I have toughened the language. The languages are quite tough. The language is quite tough. So you have to manage that. Next important part that comes into play is the money and credit chapter. Sorry, globalization and Indian economy chapter. What is globalization? What is liberalization? What do MNCs consider before setting up business? What was the time period when liberalization and industrialization or globalization started in India? What results have come out of these practices? With important years and just important points in mentioning. You have to give me a suitable answer. You have to tick that suitable answer. Clear? So these things are very very important for you. Please read the question very very importantly. 10th, you are very important class. It is my bad luck. Till now I have not been able to teach you, because I am also thinking that you are having a board class. I must teach you in class. So I am hopeful that from 2nd of November all of you will come and I will get a chance to teach you. But before that, these tests are very important for you. So please give these tests in a very serious way. If you are not able to answer any questions, please note that question. You can ask that answer to me later on. You must remember the question. Okay? That even if you have put a guess mark, means नहीं आता तुक्का लगाया है, that is also not good. आना चाहिए तुम्हें, अच्छी तरीके से आना चाहिए, because I have taught everything and what I have taught I have given. So it is a multiple choice question. You have the options also. There will be also the questions where 2-3 answers will be given and all will be correct, and you have to write well given that 1, 2 and 3 all correct. So you will write all correct. इस तरीके से you will read, you will understand what I mean. कोई क्वेश्चन है उसमें ये 4 पॉइंट दिए हैं, उसमें कहा गया है ये कौन सा पॉइंट एक पॉइंट नहीं था, तो उसको ध्यान से पढ़ना, क्योंकि इट इज सेइंग व्हाट वाज नॉट देयर, तो वो तुम्हें देखना है, क्योंकि तुमको लगेगा 3 पॉइंट अरे तो 3 के ऑल 3 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन. You have to find out the point that was not there, that is being asked in the questions. So I hope this video will be very very useful to you, to read, to prepare and to summarize your thoughts, your processes, and to manage all the things in detail. Best of luck for tomorrow's test. I hope you will do better. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay? It's bye for now.